We're just over halfway through May. Which cryptocurrencies am I looking at? What is the state of play in the crypto markets right now? And what coins do I think go up soon? So I want to talk about a few coins I'm really feeling quite bullish on at the moment. By the way, welcome back to my channel, everyone. And yeah, I think let's just jump straight into it because we're going to look at 5 cryptos that you could potentially get your hands on this May that could potentially also make some crypto gains in the upcoming near future. So just to kind of recap on the state of play in the market, we can see Bitcoin is sitting at 66.3k, as you can see right here. So to be fair, this is fantastic because it's a very similar price level to the all-time high in 2020-21. Those two massive local highs we had around that 69k resistance. So we're looking very strong. Also, Morgan Stanley, latest bank to disclose spot Bitcoin ETF holdings for clients. The Wall Street giant held roughly $270 million worth of Grayscale's Bitcoin trust as the end of March, according to a filing. So more big names out there are still very interested in crypto and Bitcoin, of course. So looking on the day, Bitcoin has had a bit of a flop, lost about 1.3k valuation. Over the 7 days, however, has looked pretty strong. And over the month, it's been, we've had that sort of blip. We had that little liquidation sort of down here. Lots of long positions were liquidated down to 56k, which was also a fantastic dollar cost average region. So let's have a little look at what I think right now is going on. We are consolidating. As you can see, Bitcoin is looking so strong here, just chilling around the previous all-time high in 2021 November. You can see Bitcoin just literally just cruising around this region right now. And I do think there is a big chance that we're going to get a big pump soon up to around those $100,000 levels, because we're holding here. It's looking bullish. We're producing some good chart patterns here. We've had a very nice little buyback at 56k, and we're not showing much sign of weakness right now. So I think we could be looking like something good's going to happen. You can also see Dr. Martin, he's Boeck. The long-term chart for Bitcoin looks fantastic, hodl away according to him. He thinks logarithmically zooming out, which you should always zoom out. And to be fair, when we zoom out of this chart right here, you can always see that on average Bitcoin is always going up. And of course, the returns are diminishing every single market cycle, which is why it's important that you do buy the extreme fear in the markets so you can make the most of every single pump that happens afterwards. Because you see, Bitcoin is holding up the price so strongly that I don't think there will be a deep correction. And I'm also thinking something else. Bullish continuation could actually happen from where we are right here. Maybe a retest of 73k, maybe a pump even to the upside, even higher. Maybe we hit 83k, 100k, 80k. These are the next Fibonacci targets. So I'm of course bullish on Bitcoin too right now. Now, let's quickly jump into the coins here. The first one is going to be, guys, we've had a bit of a crap Sunday, I'm not going to lie. Bit of a crap Monday probably. Sorry, wrong day over there. And I think we do need these red days. But in a bull market, you want maybe 10-15% of the days to be really red, and the rest of them to, of course, be green. In the bear market, it's kind of the complete opposite. So the week has been good. The day, not so good. Now let's talk about coin number 1. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video. It really helps. But it's going to be Mina protocol. On the day, Mina has gone down from 0.82 to 0.77, as you can see on the charts right here. Got 1.1 billion Minas in circulation with an $857 million market cap. So this is a low market cap-ish. I think it's possible to see us blast to the upside. You can see 1.7 billion over here. On the year is the all-time high, and actually, you can see that was an all-time high there for Mina, but I still think there's more headway because we haven't got to the top of the bull run yet, and we are looking like we're producing a bit of a red day over here. So yeah, Mina protocol is a great one. You can see the CEO. Well, basically, Mina's always marketing and getting their name and face out there. And that's something very important in these crypto markets. So Mina protocol, big shout out to them because they're so transparent. They're marketing, they're always networking, engaging, pushing, and developing. So that's very important. Now, looking at Mina, when we had that Bitcoin blip down to like 56k, we can see Mina came down to 0.59. But I think at the moment we are looking pretty strong. And we can see we are sort of forming a horizontal support, but on the resistance it's actually coming down. So it's a triangle. Could see a decent pump here for Mina really would like to see something good happen, but it's hard to say exactly what is going to happen. But I think just looking at what's happening, every time you sort of buy at 73 cents, it's looking good. But I do predict that we will get a blast up to $1 again. I don't know when exactly, but the fact that just sort of in March 2024 we're $1.70 tells me that, well, we've corrected pretty heavily. There's going to be hopefully another chance to ride this wave back up to the $1.70 region, because it actually corrected 65%. It's still down 56%. And you can see the first sort of local high at $1.70 was in January 2024. So we do indeed have a big resistance here to chase. But if you look at Mina protocol, when it was all the way down here, look at this massive correction from this sweep to this sweep low. You can see it actually hit the 1.618 Fibonacci target, which is also true. And you can see it's done that. Hit that 1.618 Fib. So what I think in the next altcoin run, the next cycle that we're seeing here, I think we're going to be also seeing around $2-ish. $2.10, $2.29 for Mina Protocol. So I will be loading up on Mina Protocol. Probably going to have to hold it for a while, which I acknowledge and understand. But I do perceive that Mina Protocol will hit like $1.70 again, and hopefully into the $2 range in the future. So that's coin number one, ladies and gents. Coin number two will be Dogeverse. This is number two because it is launching in hopefully around the next 10 days. If you enjoy your meme coins, please check this one out because it's multi-chain. You can buy it across 6 different chains. Very, very bullish. Launching soon with a small market cap, and it could have 10x potential. So check out Dogeverse. The link is down below. But remember, this isn't financial advice. So yeah, roadmap looks good. First centralized exchange listings is teased to happen soon. And also tokenomically, only 200 billion tokens. So that is tiny. That is not a lot of coins for a big meme coin like this one here, which is looking really good. They have, of course, got quite a funny sort of trendy Twitter. They've got 19.5k followers now, and they are posting kind of every other day, trying to get as much attention as possible. Lots of likes, impressions, and retweets, preparing for that massive launch. Coin number 3 will be Polygon matic. If you're bullish on Ethereum and just scalers in general, you should also be bullish on Polygon. Polygon is like the Batman and Robin relationship that I've said many, many times. 99% of Polygon matic tokens, or matic tokens, are now circulating, which is another bullish thing because you're not going to get token emissions and dilution. So what we're seeing now is just sheer growth, 1-to-1 ratio. And what you see is what you get now. So recently it was at a 12.5 billion MC. It's corrected by 50%. This coin has corrected by 50%. And actually, once upon a time in 2021, it had a $20 billion market capital, and we've not yet had a chance to get back there. I still think we will get back there. I can't say exactly when, but you can see this is a huge triangle. And the day that we break out for Polygon matic, it's going to be absolutely outrageous. It's going to be so bullish. If we can hit the sort of $1.21 region, if we can sweep back up to there, like, you know, break out this sort of triangle that we're seeing, which is also an ascending triangle, you can really see that we are starting to get some positive continuation for Polygon matic. So if I just show you right here, you can see we've got ascending triangle, which is where the resistance ranges are increasing and the support, the resistance is horizontal, and the support levels over here are increasing ever so slowly. So it is showing slowly but surely bullish continuation. So we really want to break out of 77 cents. We really want to hit the sort of $1.25 region again. And if we break out this symmetrical triangle, we could certainly see Polygon hit like $2-3 in the future. If you do want to trade these altcoins like Mina, like Polygon, please do check out my KSEX link down below. No KYC needed. We've drawn up to 15 Bitcoins without anybody needing to know about it, and it is USA friendly as well. So please check out KSEX. Love that exchange. Oh my gosh, next MEXC, absolutely. So yeah, Polygon, another one there that I really do think looks good. Do have a little look at it, think it could be good. In May, you know, lots of things are happening. DPM projects lay the groundwork on Polygon protocols. You can just see they're doing so much here, guys. So have a little look at Polygon if you haven't already found out about it. It could be one that is worth holding and diversifying into for the long run. Coin number 4 will be Diligent Pepe. This is still a base meme coin. We've got On-Chain Summer 2 coming from the base team, which means they're actually giving loads of crypto rewards and airdrops and things like this to developers. So Diligent Pepe may also be eligible to a large quantity of money to help grow the project even further. Fantastic meme coin, really funny, great tokenomics, it's doxed, it's looking good. And on the price action side of things, you guys got in early, you know, like way down here, especially if you're a patron. If you are a patron, please do join. By the way, like if you're looking for signals, if you're looking for the next stealth launches, if you want to grow your crypto portfolio, please check out my Patreon link down below. There's over 500 members, only 21 crypto legend slots available. Look, you're going to get ultra early alpha Discord channel access for early buy signals, unlock top analysts like Neil, Sherlock, Shiras, Tim, and more. Spot trades, leverage trades. You can get 13 technical analysts that you can use for trading signals. It's over 500 per month. So we've worked very hard to build one of the most tenacious, solid, and hopefully value adding Discord and Patreon communities. So all the VIP stuff is going to be in the Discord. You can see we've got the TA reports as well. So please have a little look. Here's just like, I'm going to show you if I can. Here's a report for April, so we can see the win rate for some of the guys in here. So it's fully transparent. The P&L, like if you're following Neil, you'd be up 2,200%. Moonbaby unfortunately didn't deliver too well. Kazra, 90% ROI there. Hayden, not so good. But yeah, if you follow Neil, he is absolutely smashing. So it's worth just signing up to follow Neil, to be honest. He is such a solid TA that I just can't thank him enough. So yeah, really, really good. So anyway, I was saying Diligent Pepe looks good. 0.00483, 193k liquidity locked in. Low market cap gem of 500k. 10x takes it to 500 million. So if you want to check out Diligent Pepe, the link is also down below. Now the last coin, to sort of summarize this video, is indeed Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 66k, and of course, I just do not believe right now that we will see a 5x for Bitcoin. We're not hitting 300k, we're not hitting 250k. I just don't think it will happen. But if you're just looking to sort of play a more kind of less volatile stablecoin that you know is obviously trending hard right now, then I do think Bitcoin could be one that does deliver maybe at most a 2x from here. Now I will just quickly share with you right now that when you're looking at Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin, the time you want to like put almost as much of your cash into crypto. This is not financial advice, but I do educate on this in my Discord and Patreon. It's when that relative strength index comes down to that sub 30 region, around that 35 to 25 region on the weekly time frame. That is your buying chance and opportunity for Bitcoin. It doesn't happen often. It happens once every cycle. That is it. Once every 4-year cycle, you're going to see Bitcoin traverse this low. And I'm going to show you something right now. I'm going to set my own reminder for Bitcoin when it hits the 30 RSI. I know you guys have probably seen this already, but look, we're on TradingView. I'm going to hit add alert for Bitcoin. We're going to go over here to less than. So when Bitcoin gets to less than 30 RSI, I'm now going to name this to look Bitcoin weekly oversold RSI sub 30 buy now. So when this alert flags up, I'm going to let all of you know. You should also make alerts like this for yourself. This will help you time your buys into Bitcoin. So I've now set that lovely reminder where I'll hopefully get an email. That's the way I want it to be done for Bitcoin. I'm just going to double check that the notification is here. Send email. So I will get an email for this now when Bitcoin does hit that region. So Bitcoin's another one you could potentially be buying into. Not financial advice, of course, but yeah, it's been an interesting week, an interesting month, an interesting year. Look at that growth, looking fantastic. So guys, thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you're new, like the video, get yourself into my Discord channel down below if you are a crypto guy or girl, or whatever you identify as these days, and just make sure you come chill, say hi. We will listen, we will talk, and I think at the end of the day, we just want to help people grow, learn. You can see people are putting in some nice trading signals over the last few days. So just get into the Discord. Why not? Why are you not there? It's just one click away from entering the coolest Discord around crypto in the whole blockchain space. Of course, that is my own opinion, but it's what I think could, help you. Anyway, you join, you let me know if it sucks. Let me know it sucks, and we'll change that. So thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe. Have a wonderful day. And yeah, guys, I really hope the next few months are going to be wild. For sure, the end of 2024 will be absolutely wild. And if you want to share this journey and experience the euphoria together, like I say, hit the notification bell. See you soon. Bye for now. Peace. Oh, this video is not financial advice.